What's going on, crypto miners, and welcome back to the channel. I have a fun one for you today. Let's step inside the shed. All right, so stepping inside our crypto mining shed here. Just gonna do a quick swing tour for all you newbies coming to the channel. Welcome, welcome. Happy to have you guys here. We got lots of good stuff going on. So as you guys know, on my channel and in my shed, we have an intake side that sucks in all the air with negative airflow from these fans right here. And these are AC Infinity inline fans. They put out 800 CFM. They replace the high RPM traditional crypto mining fans that we're used to. And I have found a really good use for them in this scenario with this shed design. But I also know a lot of you guys run these at home so that you can get by with, like, you can get by in your garage or in your basement with running a full-size ASIC because they're significantly quieter. Now, something to keep in mind is we've always just used AC Infinity inline fans. There's another company out there, Vivo Sun. They don't do as well of a job, not as high of a quality product. But we have these AC Infinity inline fans, and Fruition Design has these heat-resistant 3D printed shrouds. And this is kind of all we've ever known. Well, I got approached recently by a company that said they want to put this setup to the test. And actually, this is what they sent me here. Tell me this doesn't look just like a massive turbocharger. Where are my car people at? This thing is absolutely insane. So the team over at Zeus Mining sent this over to me, and this looks like some Frankenstein shit right here, but I'm excited. I'm giddy to jump into this. So this is from Zeus Mining. They sell a variety of different setups that actually bolt right onto the front of the ASIC for different models. So this one here is directly for the S21. I still can't get over the design of this thing. So this is supposed to do, what was it, 768 CFM versus the AC Infinity inline fans are about 800. And so honestly, what I want to do today with this is I want to put this head to head with the AC Infinity inline fan. Oh, look at that. It even has a knob, like here's your manual knob controller. This is our boost controller. I'm going to turn up our boost. So it does come with dummy plugs if we need these, which we don't need them, but these are nice to have. This is a little bit different design than what I've shown on the channel. It does come with a plug. It actually is like a universal plug. So what I want to do is a few things. So we're going to put to the test, okay, I already have an AC Infinity inline fan. It's been running on an S21 for days and days and days. So we can go ahead and record the temperature. We're going to record the temperature to see how that's doing, and then we're going to swap this one out. Now, this one doesn't even use the shroud kit. Look at this. It doesn't even use like a Fruition Design shroud kit. This just bolts directly up to the actual inline fan. So it's kind of the shroud kit and the fan all in one is how it works. And it pulls in that air from the side here. Kind of like it's literally like a turbocharger design, which is absolutely wild. So let me go ahead and figure out which S21 we want to use, and we can start our baseline test. Something else to keep in mind, let's talk about price, because there's a few things I want to keep in mind. Cooling, price, and then sound levels. So looking at cooling, or looking at price, the inline fan goes for $159, and then the Fruition Design kit goes for $159. So you're about $318 all in. Zeus Mining, this is what they sent me. I'll leave a link directly down below to this if you're interested. They call it the Blower Silencer Gen 2 for ASICs. They have them for S21, T21, L9s, AL1s, KS5s, S19J Pros, What's Miners, Avalons, Ice Rivers. So they got the works. So I'll link this directly down below. But look at the price, $65. So it's a big difference. We have $318 versus $65. So if this works, it could be a great substitute at a cheaper price. But let's go ahead and dive into cooling. All right, so we're going to use 201, which is this guy right here. Bitmain Antminer S21 200 terahash. I purchased this for $2,500 off of eBay more recently. So for our first test, let's take a look. So watts at the wall, we're at about 166, 67, we'll say 167. And then jumping over, let's take a look at our temp. So our temps are, we're in brains right now, 74C. It is at 185, 186 terahash because I do have it turned down because it's been overheating. It's been over 100 degrees out, so I have it turned down to 3,000 watts. Not that that's a factor right now, but 74C is our temps. So let me go ahead here. This is our spreadsheet that we brought up. We did our cost comparison. The Zeus mining blower won out at $64. Power consumption, I have our AC Infinity inline fan at 167. For our cooling capacity, we're going to put in 74C. So, and then the dB levels, we're going to do back home in a quieter setting without the ASICs, just the fans by themselves. So let me go ahead. I'm going to pull that S21 and we're going to get the Zeus mining Turbo Charger installed. So as I'm taking this apart, something I thought about was the rear shroud. We still need a rear shroud, especially an interface for me up with the back of the shed. Most of you guys will need it for your home setup. So we have to price that in. So I looked over at Crypto Cloaks. I'll leave a link to them directly down below. Not sponsored or anything, but they have an 8-inch shroud for $29.99. You could just buy one of those there. So I added that in under shroud cost because that's still going to be a factor. Granted, the Zeus mining blower still wins out on price for $94 versus $318. This thing looks absolutely wild. Check this out. It's actually propped up on the front here, so that might add a little bit of a challenge for me over there because of how much it's actually lifted. You can see the difference there. So that's going to be quite interesting. I did just leave the shroud on from the other kit because the power supply fans, not a big deal, but check that out. It just has 4 screws all around the outside of it. All right, so if you guys have watched this far in the video, we're giving one away. Zeus Mining went ahead and sent us over one for a giveaway for today. So to go ahead and enter the giveaway, all you have to do is just comment down below on what you think of this. What do you think is going to win out? Leave a comment down below. Do you think the Zeus mining blower is going to win out? Do you think the AC Infinity fan's going to win out from a cooling perspective? Which one's going to do better at cooling? Our turbocharged Zeus blower or the AC Infinity inline fan? 800 CFM from factory, 768. Anyways, leave a comment down below. I'll pick a winner in 2 weeks and I'll ship this anywhere in the world directly to you guys. All right, let me figure out how I'm gonna get this set up over there. I'll be back in a few minutes. All right, so we have everything hooked up. It's a little janky for right now, but I think it'll work. You can see the ASIC's a little propped up, but it is ducting out the backside. Now, we can't use our watt meter here. And you might be like, well, why not? Well, 120. Found out through process of elimination, this requires a 240 volt. And so what I have are 220, sorry, 220. So I have these adapters. I actually originally saw them on Voscoin's channel and picked up a bunch. So this worked out well. I'll link them down below if you guys are interested. But man, this is so jankety right now, I feel like. My barrel adapter into this universal adapter into this end. I'm very curious if I do end up liking these, if I can go ahead and just take like a C14 and cut off the end into like a normal C13 and go right into the PDU. I don't really know. All right, so we're gonna use this PDU as our watt meter. I unplugged the ASICs on it. Here's our jankety adapter plug. Let's go ahead and get it plugged in. All right, it's like hanging there. All right, so we're starting to see some watts over here. Right now, I have this on the speed of 5, and you can kind of see, let me get this in here real quick. You can kind of see the fan turning inside there. Decent amount of suction actually coming in there, which is good. So we're at 100 and 110, 114. It's kind of all over the place. and that's at a speed of 5. So let's crank this up to a speed. We're at a speed of 10 right now. So we're about 180 to 100. We'll say about 180 watts at this point. So let me get our ASIC plugged in. Let's get it up and running and see how this does for cooling. All right, we've been up and mining with our Zeus mining blower, or we're calling it Turbo Charger. Let's go ahead, head over to our screen here. And I went ahead in the meantime, and I put in here for our power consumption we were talking about. So the AC Infinity came in 167, the Zeus mining blower 180, and I did make a note here, 220 volt only versus 120, 220. So the AC Infinity fan wins out on the power consumption side of things. Let's go ahead here. So we do have up our S21, and we're currently at 73C. So if I bring up our spreadsheet here, our AC Infinity inline fan was 95 Fahrenheit ambient temperature. We came in at 74 C. Our Zeus mining blower it's now 92 Fahrenheit. It's dropped down, it's got a little cooler. It's about 6 p.m. right now. It's coming in at 73 C. So naturally, you would say, oh, well, 73 C is lower, it's actually cooling better. I would disagree. Leave a comment down below, but looking at 95 Fahrenheit, for our ambient temperature was at 74 versus 92. I'm gonna say the AC Infinity fan wins out from a cooling perspective, but that's just kind of my thoughts. What do you think? All right, we're back home, significantly quieter, better to do this test here. So I have our AC Infinity inline fan. This is actually the S8 model, if you guys are interested in looking this up. So I do have a dB meter here, and I did put a tape measure on the floor, and we're gonna measure about 3 feet out is kind of where my goal is right here to give us a better idea. So let's go ahead and plug this in. My concern is it doesn't actually stay still. Like, it's gonna push out so much air. So let's find out. So let's push it against the wall here. See if it stays. Okay, so this is our intake side over here. This is our exhaust side over here. It's staying in place. I'm waiting for it to like rock it out. It's like a turbine. All right, so we're gonna take a step back. We're at 3 feet right now. We'll say 74 dB. All right, now for the Zeus blower, let's plug this guy in with our crazy adapter. Whoa, whoa. All right, it's sitting still, so that'll work for our test. I knew it was gonna move around. All right, so we're back here at about 3 feet. Let's take a look. 69 dB. All right, so final results are in, and for sound levels, the Zeus mining blower does win out at 69 dB versus the AC Infinity inline fan at 74 dB. Overall, I do want to mention a few things. I made some notes here. The Zeus mining blower won't allow you to like pull air in from outside. You can't hook up with like a hose clamp, any ductwork to it, and pull in from the intake side. It's a blower. It's just using the air right there at the actual fan area. In addition, no rear shroud, something to keep in mind with the Zeus mining model. Maybe it's something they can throw in with it. Zeus mining model, also big one for me, 220 volt versus 120. You know, it can't run on 120, so it just doesn't have that versatility and flexibility. And finally, the Zeus mining unit, we got to get rid of these adapters and stuff. That's just a safety hazard, I feel like, from a fire perspective. I would love to see them offer different models or different avenues to go, like a unit that would plug into a PDU like I'm doing. Because if you're going to have an ASIC right there and you're going to have that inline fan or the Zeus mining blower right there, you're going to have a PDU close by. So you definitely should have a C13 model, I think would absolutely make sense. All right, so I think both of these units have their unique use case scenario. I think they're great kind of alternatives to just running a full-size ASIC with those higher PM screeching fans. The Zeus mining blower is significantly quieter. So if you're trying to run something like in your garage or in your basement using the ambient air around the ASIC, I think the blower is a great choice overall. If you're getting a little bit more creative, you're ducting in air, ducting out air, if you are going the avenue like I am with the shed, I think the AC Infinity fan is a better avenue to go. Guys, I'm going to leave links to all the different stuff I talked about, the AC Infinity route with the shroud kit, with the Zeus blower, with that setup. I'm going to leave links to everything down below, adapters that I used, everything. If you're interested, please go over and check it out. Once again, huge shout out to Zeus Mining for sending us over the blower or turbocharger for today's video.